Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back, new mommies. In this video, I'm gonna share with you all which foods you should avoid completely while you are giving breast milk to your babies. So, in last video, I shared with you all which foods are good for your breast milk supply, right? In this video, I'm gonna share with you all which foods you should avoid completely. Okay, so if you want to watch till end, watch this video. Okay, if you're watching for new first time this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. In this channel I will be sharing with you all mom and baby care tips, so it will be so much beneficial for you if you're a new mommy for the first time. So we will start the topic right now. Okay, so first food which you have to avoid is alcohol and smoking. So alcohol is not good for normal people also. In that case, you just think about your small baby. So if you are drinking that, it will go to our blood and directly our milk is producing from our blood, so it will be very problem for your baby. If your a small amount of alcohol is going to your baby also, it will be problem for baby brain and the stomach, kidneys, everything will be, it will be so much problem. So kindly avoid alcohol while you are giving breast milk to your baby. The second food is chocolates. Chocolates also have a bit of caffeine in it, and also it has so much allergic elements in chocolate. So you have to avoid chocolate while you are giving breast milk to your baby. If you like chocolate so much, it's okay if you are eating one bite in couple of days, like in weekly once one bite is okay. More than that, kindly don't eat. It will be again, it will create allergies to your baby, skin allergies, as well as stomach infections, so many things. Don't think about it, so kindly avoid chocolates. And next thing is coffee and teas also. Coffee and tea, it has caffeine, so you have to avoid while giving breast milk to your baby. This caffeine will go to our directly blood, and from blood only again breast milk is coming. So if a small amount of caffeine is going to our babies, again it will disturb their brain and the whole function of baby's body. So why you want to take risks? So kindly avoid coffee also. Next, gassy things. Many people react differently for the same kind of food. If I eat some food, for me it will be allergy. For example, ragi. Ragi is there. For my husband, it creates gas, and for me, I like so much, and it won't affect me. So like that, for you, if you are eating some food, for example, maybe rajma or cabbage, broccoli, these kind of things will create generally gas. So if you're eating these things, if you are able to feel uncomfortable, and if you feel it is creating gas to you, kindly avoid it, because at that time, if your baby is facing gas problem, the stomach issues, babies will feel so much irritation, and it will be a big problem for you. So kindly avoid it. Next thing is heavy spices. As a Indian, any part of India, if you will be love spices, and from childhood we love to eat spices, and our bodies has been adjusted with it. But as a small babies cannot handle the spices. So if you are eating spices, it will create again rashes to your babies, and it will create irritation in their stomach, and it can be leads to diarrhea also. So kindly avoid spices. So if you can eat small tadkas, and little bit of pepper and all add, and make it a little tasty and eat. But heavy spices, kindly avoid it. Next thing is heavy flavored things. Heavy flavors cannot be handled by babies. For example, garlic. In last video, I already told very clearly, garlic is very good for our body healing. But you have to eat in very limit. The garlic taste, it is so much elegant. It is so much high flavored thing. So babies cannot accept that. So if, for example, if you are eating mint or peppermint, these kind of things also will create heavy smell. So these kind of things, kindly avoid it. If you are one or times by mistake, if you eat, if your baby is able to smell that smell from your milk, next time the babies will not take milk. They will stop taking milk only. So why you have to take that much risk, tell me? So kindly avoid flavored things completely. Next thing is fish. So if you are a fish lover or seafood lover, kindly you have to choose with a open mind, and which is having high mercury and which is having omega 3. Omega 3 happily you can eat, but mercury fish, kindly avoid it. It will make your breast milk supply very less and it will stop, so kindly avoid that. Or last food, dairy products. Some dairy products have high amount of protein and fats in it, so that fats cannot be digested by babies. So always you try to choose less digested food and smoothly digested by you, able to keep your body very nicely, then your baby will also be happy and healthy. So always think what you are eating, so according to that you can plan your meals and you will be able to enjoy your breastfeeding. These dairy products can create diarrhea to babies, that's why, and allergies as well. That's why doctors will suggest just check before you are taking. And if your baby is not reacting to cow milk, then it is good for you. You can take calcium will be there in milk, so it is very beneficial for us. So just check. If your baby is acting, then avoid it. If your baby is okay, then happily you can take cow milk. And next thing, the last thing is raw foods, raw eggs. For example, half boiled eggs, kindly avoid it. Next thing is raw fish, like sushi and all, some kind of salads. These things, if you're eating raw, it will have some bacteria which your body cannot accept, as well as your baby, because your body has gone through so much thing and your body will not have that much immune power compared to before. So avoid raw food and try to cook properly and eat. You will enjoy your breastfeeding time, even your baby will enjoy, your baby will be healthy, I'm sure. And take so much of water, guys. It will help you so much, to control your digestion issues. It will control your gassy things, everything. So try to add more water in your diet, it will be good for you. And as well as try to include multivitamin tablets in your diet, so that whatever you are losing, vitamins and these things, it will be covered by tablets. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share this video to all moms out there. Thank you so much for watching my video. We will see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.